Hey everyone, it's me, your MyHomeware bathroom assistant. Today we've been invited by one of our builder partners, RPG Construction, to check out a newly renovated complete kitchen and bathroom. If you have ever visited our MyHomeware Sydney showroom, you might have seen some of these products on display. But it's always exciting to see how they look once installed in a real home. Let's go together. The old kitchen was quite dark and dated, but now it feels brand new. Maybe because it is brand new. It is now bright, warm and welcoming. The new marble benchtop and timber flooring instantly adds a touch of luxury. With the improved lighting design, the space feels more open. And check out this quartz sink. It is not just stylish, it is also super practical and easy to maintain. The first bathroom had kept its original layout, but every aspect has been upgraded. A new vanity and LED mirror brings both style and function, while the gunmetal fixtures perfectly match the new textured grate tiles and fish scale feature wall. With soft, warm lighting, the space now feels cozy yet sophisticated. The second bathroom went through a major transformation. The old tub was removed, creating a spacious shower which has a clean design that separates the wet and the dry sections efficiently. The mirror was then placed opposite the door, which opens up the space and allows everything to feel brighter and spacious. The new layout makes perfect use of every inch of this bathroom, turning what used to be a cramped area into a calm, refreshing retreat. And finally, the last bathroom had the biggest makeover. Uniform small wall tiles paired with warm ambient lighting, creating an inviting atmosphere. The toilet has been moved to the far left, freeing up more space for a generous 1500mm back-to-wall bathtub and a 1200mm timber vanity. It's clean, balanced, has amazing and efficient storage with stunning visual. The new design has taken away the dull, cramped feeling of a small bathroom, no doubt a true dream bathroom where you might not want to leave after entering. If you love this renovation style, come visit our MyHomeware Sydney showroom to explore more ideas and products like these. And if you're planning your next kitchen or bathroom reno, let us know in the comments. We would love to hear what style you would adapt to your bathroom.